So let me show y'all how I use henna dye to dye my gray hairs and also dye my grown out highlights. So these were the results. I love that I now have a solution to get jet black hair and to dye my gray hairs without any chemicals and all natural hair products. I'll link all the products that I'm using down in the description box, and also the video that I watched, basically step by step to achieve this. I really wanted to record this because I have curly hair and I just wanted to make sure the results would work the same for me. It's definitely a different process than any hair dyeing I've ever done. You do have to have time in your hands to do it. You need at least like 3 days to do it for real. You have to have clean hair with no hair products, which could be hard for someone who has like dry hair or curly hair in general. So I had to have my hair brushed out in twists until whenever I was ready to apply the henna. And I do say you have to make more than what you think you need, because I definitely did run out. So this is after leaving it in for about 4 hours. And then this is what it looked like when it was time for me to wash it out. The point of the henna is it's gonna stain your hair like a orangey reddish color. So that's like the first step that you have to do. That's kind of helps like the indigo powder, which we're gonna use next. Like it'll help it adhere to it, I guess you could say. And I also did have to wait 24 hours before applying the indigo, and once again on clean and dry hair. And I would say I did make a couple mistakes, that I'm gonna note for next time. Is I do think that I should have used like a hand blender to blend out the indigo. I feel like it was a little powdery, chalky, like when I was applying it. So clumps of it was falling down. So I don't know. I feel like it didn't really adhere to all my gray hairs. But I'm gonna definitely like consider that the next time I try this again. And the results of this after letting it sit in my hair for once again a couple hours, it's like a blue black, which I love that because I love me a blue black bed. But if you are a girly like me who has allergic reactions to hair dye, definitely give henna and indigo a try. But thanks so much for watching. It's been 5 years, y'all, since the last video I posted. And a quick shout out to Kushana for putting me onto the henna hair dye. And I hope to see y'all in the next one.